Alright, y'all. This set was literally copied and pasted from Pinterest. Like, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And I feel like it was really different for me. I've never done a 3D nail before. And I don't think I've ever used a silver chrome. Like, I'm a gold girl, but I wanted to do something different. I wish that I could find the picture. I did screenshot it, but then I needed the space in my phone, so I deleted it. And I've been looking for it for a couple days on Pinterest. And it's annoying because every single time I would open up the app, the picture was there. So I just don't understand, but it's okay, it's okay. First, I'm starting off with my base, and I mixed 3 different colors to get the color that was in the picture. Cannot pronounce the name of the brand, but I used TY18 first, TY14, and then TY16. So TY18 was more of a nude color. TY14 had like a little bit of a pink in it, and then TY16 was like a creamy milk color. So I feel like those went very well together. And then I'm just going in with my builder gel. Like I said, this is my first time doing a 3D nail, but I feel like I really got the hang of it after this nail. I only did 2 on each hand. I didn't show it in the video, but I did flash cure after applying the builder gel, because if you just let it rest while you're doing the other nails, it'll literally do just that. It'll rest, it'll spread, it'll become flat, and that's not what I was going for. So I flash cure for about 15 seconds before curing them fully after doing, all that needed to be done. So here's me just going over the second nail, and I do like with this builder gel that you can build it up. You can definitely build it up to make it thicker. I was worried, or not worried, but I was more focused on how it projected, because I really wanted it to give that 3D feel. And then I'm just going over that with some top coat by Modelones. And then in the picture, it had like a slightly pink chrome effect going on. And even though you can't see it in these clips because the light was like super bright, you do see it in those beginning clips, which is what I just recorded from my phone. But I thought it was a cute touch. Very different for me, but it was definitely cute. And I'm just applying that top coat on top of it again, and we are done with those nails. Wait, why am I applying top coat on the... Oh, I guess I have to seal in the chrome. I was about to say, like, that's really crazy. That's a waste of product. But I had to seal in my chrome because I did the chrome on every single nail. So then we're going in with black. I'm sorry, y'all. I did this set like a month ago. We're going in with black. This is going to be our base for our silver chrome. A lot of first times in this video. I've never worn silver chrome. But look at those lines. Extra clean, extra clean. We're just going to cure that. And I went over it twice. Oh, no, I didn't. What? I usually go over my French tips. I don't care what color. I normally go over them twice, and I didn't. I don't really know what's going on. But I wanted my tips to be 3D as well before applying the chrome. So all I did was just mixed black and that builder gel and made some little lines, all trial and error, because at first I started with a dotting tool. I don't really know what my thought process was for that, but then I was like, fuck it, I'm about to go in with my little brush and we're about to make some little lines. And look at that. I'm just examining it for myself. Honestly, I be forgetting I'm recording, and that's why when I was editing this video, I was just looking like, girl, did you know you was recording? Like, your hand is not in it. Like, what's the real tea here? But I cured that for 30 seconds. I actually didn't apply a top coat. I don't know why. I normally do. I was being so different, okay? I didn't apply a top coat. I just went right on top of it. That's really crazy because I literally did 2 layers. I did that, the French tip, and then I did the 3D. So how did it stick? How did it stick? I don't know, but it did. And it stayed for the 2 weeks. So this is not a tutorial, y'all. This was all trial and error, but it definitely stayed for 2 weeks. I just find that so weird because I do chrome all the time. I don't know why I was being so different. Like, I went against every single rule. I went against science. crazy. And also, I was being lazy at this point. Hold on, let me stop. I wish I could stop the video. I was being so lazy at this point. I normally will apply like my little builder gel or rhinestone gel, whatever the fuck. Cure that, like apply the gem, cure that, then put top coat over everything. I didn't do none of that. I literally put my top coat on and put this gem on top. And that's why them damn gems was falling off the next day. But the girls are cute. Bye, guys.